on to the guidelines for choosing a domain name. We have found out that domain name is the physical address of a website. It helps a search engine to get directed to the website directly. So how should we choose our domain name so that our website can rank higher in the search engines, so that more and more visitors can get attracted to our website? So here are some of the simple domain name strategies that must be followed in order to have a good SEO. The first one is keep the domain name short and simple. Second, avoid using characters like underscores, dashes, hyphens, or any other random punctuation marks. Third, try to get a .com. Fourth point is URL rewriting. Fifth, presence of keyword phrase in the domain. Sixth, using the product names, advertising terms, common words in the domain names. Presence of keyword phrase and using the product name, advertising terms, this we will be covering in later parts. And the first 4 points or first 4 strategies we will be covering in detail in this session. Let's see how it goes. Now, keeping the name short and simple. When you keep the name short, there won't be too many characters in it. So if there are too many characters in the domain name, it means there is an increased possibility for misspellings. It also means that your site address will be much harder for users to remember unless it's something really startling. So very complicated domain name is difficult to remember. And also too many characters in the domain name means there may be errors in the spellings. So you may not be directed to the particular website correctly. The next point is avoid using dashes, underscores and other meaningless characters. So suppose if the domain name that you want is taken, say it is not available in the system anymore. Don't just add a random number or piece of punctuation to the name in order to get close, because close doesn't count here. This we often use this kind of things we often use in making our Gmail account or Yahoo account or Redis mail account or all this stuff for username. We just add one number or some symbols or some characters or something. But when you are going for choosing the domain name, just don't do it, because again your physical address or that won't be so much common and people won't be visiting it at all. So try to make it simple and try to avoid any kind of punctuation. Instead, what you can do, you can try to find another word that is relevant and possibly included in the list of keywords you will be using. Suppose you want to use yourwebsite.com. Okay, suppose that is your choice of domain name, yourwebsite.com, www.yourwebsite.com. But when you are trying to purchase the domain name, you find that this your website is not available, yourwebsite.com is not available. So if you put randomly yourwebsite2.com or something of that sort, do you think that any user will type while searching in the search engines, they will look for your website too? Or say, for example, you have a website on medicines. Okay, so you want a domain name. You want to choose a domain name as www.medicines.com. Okay, but you find that this domain name is not available. Instead, what you do, you just put some random characters, say medicine_1.com. So you just think when you search about any medicine in any of the search engines, do you actually type medicine_1.com or you just simply type medicines? So what you can do is, instead of getting, say when you are not getting www.medicine.com, you can choose for www.medicines.com. Just a bit of change, a bit of relevant word to it, added to it. Or you can write www.healthsupplements.com. You can go for it. A relevant word of medicines instead of adding any number or punctuation at all. This is how it goes.